Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Wilson Ramos, a developer here at Dana, and today we will be viewing a B2B Solution Architect Certification overview. It's a certification I just got a month ago, I think. So we have an overview based on my experience and what I've learned of this certification. So our agenda for today is what is a B2B Solution Architect, the prerequisites, the topics, what to expect from a B2B Solution Architect certification, a classroom, and we have a question and answers at the end. So let's start with what is a B2B Solution Architect. So to start, a B2B Solution Architect is a person who brings solutions to complex B2B multi-cloud integrations using Salesforce or not Salesforce solutions. So you probably have wondered, what is B2B anyway? So to understand this, we will have to imagine, for example, that we are Apple, and we will focus on MacBooks. So let's pretend that we are Apple and we sell MacBooks. So for example, a B2B model will be the one where we sell our products to another business, and that business resells our products. So for example, we are Apple, we sell our MacBooks to another business, and that business sells our products with maybe more price or maybe with other kind of things that they think they can add it to our products. So that would be a B2B relationship. It means business to business. Also, we have the business to client, which is the B2C. Here, the main focus is a direct sales with our products. For example, in the same sample, we are Apple. We sell our MacBooks in our stores, and we sell it directly to our customers. So we don't need any other business to do that resell for us. And also, we have a mix of both of these models, which is the B2B2C, which means business to client. In this model, we have the same example. We are Apple. We sell our MacBooks to another reseller, and that reseller sells it to a customer. The difference is that we have all of that information. We have the information from our partner, which is the other business that sells it, and also we have the information from the customers that they sell. So we gather more information in this model than the other models. Another keyword that we have to know is multi-cloud. So what is multi-cloud? Nowadays, all of the applications use this kind of infrastructure based on clouds. So for example, we could have an application running on our servers, but we depend on other clouds to be working. For example, we could have a one-way data consumption, or also we can have a double-way or two-way data consumption. So our applications nowadays, it's a little bit complex because of that, because we have multiple clouds, and we have to find ways to relate those clouds and to integrate them in the best way possible to avoid spending too much resources or to be in problems because of this application. And also we have to avoid that kind of problems that we will have. So B2B solution architect is a person who is in charge to solve this kind of multi-cloud problems that we faced when we have these kind of infrastructures. So let's go ahead with the prerequisites to achieve this certification. So you probably have seen this pyramid before. If you have followed, if you have chosen to follow the application architect or the system architect, this is the technical architect pyramid, and we will focus in the left side of this pyramid. We see that we have application architect, and also at these prerequisites, we have data architect, sharing and visibility architect, platform developer one, and platform app builder. So I will change to the other pyramid, and this is the solution architect paths. And we will focus also in the left side. And as you can see, as prerequisites, it's the same as the application architect. So we have data architect, sharing and visibility architect, platform developer one, and platform app builder. They are the same. So what's the difference between achieving application architect and achieving B2B solution architect? Well, the main difference is that meanwhile, these certifications just require you to achieve these prerequisites, you have to do another test in order to achieve this. So it's not enough if you have all of these prerequisites. You will have to do another test, another preparation in order to achieve the B2B solution architect. I will like say that it's like a group of this certification. You will group all of this knowledge in one. You will have some topics from this certification. You also will have some topics from this, and you will integrate all of these topics in one a scenario where the main focus is to bring solutions to multi-cloud infrastructures. So with this in mind, let's see all the topics that this certification has. Let's begin with the first topic, which is discovery and customer success. I have highlighted all of the topics that I consider most important in each, so we will be reviewing for each of these that I highlighted. So let's start with channel sales for partners. Also, we have partner relationship management. And here you probably have heard about CRMs, which are customer relationship management. There are softwares that controls and have all data of customers. In this case, we have the partner relationship management, which is the same, but not focused on customer, but in partners. So it focuses in other businesses and give us all of the benefits of a CRM. So it involves all the tools, processes, and training in helping partner business successfully sell third-party products. So this will help us to have control over our relationship with our partners. Also, we have innovation project definition, relationship design, journey mapping, which is a visual representation of every interaction a customer has with a brand along their customer journey. So here we will have a map where we can see every step where the customer has been involved in our product, or it's where our customer is alongside our product and help us to build brand loyalty and also to know where to improve to get more customers and also to be more successful in that. Also, we have the business process mapping, which is a process where we have a clear view or a visual representation of all business processes. It includes any activity that defines what a business does, who is responsible for what, how standard business processes are completed, and how success is measured. So we control all of the processes alongside our organization, and we have all of that map in one, and we can see who is responsible of what, and we can control that kind of processes, and we can measure the success of them. Also, we will learn about Scrum and Kanban, Copado, and innovation solutions. This is all of the topics that we will be seeing here. So let's go to the second one, which is data governance and integration. Here we will be seeing shopping cart integrations, which will help us to make discounts. For example, in the same scenario that we are Apple, let's say that our resellers buy us 100 computers. So in these cases, we can offer them discounts or special promotions in this kind of relations, so they can buy us more products, and we also can have better relationship with them. Also, here we will have the multi-cloud B2B implementation, where you will learn how to do these complex implementations and trying to improve the resource consumption and trying to improve all of the aspects that this involves. Also, we will have here large data volumes that you probably have seen if you are studying data architect. Here we talk about how to treat large data volumes, how to use them. For example, in Salesforce, we have big objects to store them, or we can use data warehouses to store all of the information that we don't need, but we have to have in order to comply with GPDR or something like that. Also, we have here the B2B marketing, which will help us it's a way to which business generate demand from other businesses for their products and services. So it's like the same to doing that to clients, where we do marketing strategies to show our product to our customers. But here we will focus more in partners than customers. So we will be doing strategies to get more partners and to have more relationships with them. Also, we will have here the omni-channel, which is a way to gather all of those channels that we have, for example, WhatsApp, or we have other channels, sales channels, we have live chats or something like that. What we want to do here is to gather them in one channel that is focused in our sales, and we don't have to spend time in other channels, and so we have all of that information centered in one. Also, we have here the lead to cash sales features, the governance basics, data modeling, data security, permission set group, and user authentication. Also, you have probably heard about data security, permission set group, or user authentication if you have followed the sharing and visibility certification, because it's a certification that focuses in sharing and permissions. So here, as you see, this certification have also those topics and integrates them. So let's go to the third one, which is the design. Here in design, we will focus on Salesforce Customer 360 that you probably have heard or have seen in some of Salesforce promotions. It's an integrated CRM platform that solves a challenge of connecting your departments and your customer data and having a single and shared view of your customers. So this software helps you to have a 360 view of your customers and helps you to improve whether you're not doing the things good or whether you have to improve something to be better. So yeah, you can have those all those tools to achieve that. Also, we have here the Sales Cloud Basics, the Service Cloud Basics, which help us to have a service desk where your partners can have all of their doubts solved. They can make tickets to get assistance or to get help, and we can help them in real time, or we can help them in short amount of time, so reducing our customers their workload and also helping them to achieve their objectives. Also, we have here the Salesforce CPQ features. CPQ means configure price quote, and this software it's a software that helps us to provide accurate pricing with any given product configuration scenario. So we can have here price table, which can help us to categorize some of our partners, to maybe to have some of them with a better treat than others and stuff like that. Also, here we have a Salesforce billing basics, which help us if we have, for example, subscriptions. Let's imagine that we offer a subscription to our partners. For example, we have silver and gold subscriptions. And let's pretend that we can't control when a subscription ends. So that is what Salesforce billing is capable of. It's capable of helping us to determine when a subscription will end and how to manage those renewals, or if the customer of the partner didn't want to continue with that subscription, we just can end the subscription, and all of that is treated here. Also, we can learn about MuleSoft Composer, Flow Builder Basics, Salesforce Einstein Basics, Einstein Bots Basics, and Asynchronous Apex, which is, I think, one of the topics that we will see in Platform Developer 1. So yeah, here we will have to review it once again. Also, we have the delivery. Here we have Salesforce Release Readiness, Application Lifecycle, where we will learn all about the application lifecycle, starting from planning how to do an application, ending with the delivery of that. And also we will learn about demo delivery and sandboxes for Pardot. So here we will have a way how to test our applications prior to deliver them to the production or to our partners. So we have to learn how to test them, how to verify that everything is ready before doing that. And as the last topic, we have the operationalize the solution. As the name says, it's about getting all ready and gather all of the solution that we have and make it operationable by doing this, that is user training and enablement. This will help us to train users how to use the solutions that we propose, and to avoid, as we see here, to avoid user error, because errors will cost us time, will cost us, for example, resources. So we don't want that to happen. So for that, we use training and enablement. Also, we could use user adoption metrics. So in this case, we can measure how our users are using our solution, how they are interacting with them, how they are adopting them, and we can use those kind of metrics to improve our solution, to change it if users find them not good, and we can improve that solution to be better for our customers or for our partners in this case. And also we will have the Lightning experience rollout, and these three topics is what we will find here. So as final thoughts, I will go with what to expect from B2B Solution Architect Certification. And you probably will assume this, but you will expect to knowledge, and more knowledge. This certification is one of it's a big certification because it, as I said, it gathers all of the topics and all of the information that you have seen on in other certifications and groups them in one chunk of information. So you will learn a lot about many of these tools, and you will have the all the knowledge to decide how to solve these complex B2B multi-cloud solutions and to make your business, in this case, profitable, and to make it more low resource consumption, and yeah, to make it better. So alongside all of the tools that we will learn, we have Salesforce Commerce Cloud, Salesforce Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Field Service Lightning, Marketing Cloud, Revenue Cloud. We will learn about Pardot, Experience Cloud. Also, we will learning about Einstein Automate, MuleSoft, and we will learn also about Tableau. So as you see, this is a certification full of information. So you will have to learn a lot about this, and you will be enjoying the path to that because it's a good path first to remind ourselves topics that we probably seen before. So you will be reviewing and reminding some topics that you see in other certifications, and also it's an opportunity to learn more about these tools that are used nowadays. And yeah, we have to know about these to become better professionals. So also we will have a classroom for this certification. This classroom contains all of the materials that I consider as maybe the better material to be with your preparation. So yeah, we have here some of divided by topics as well, and here I have all of the classes or courses that I consider the best in each topic, and also we will have a extra material here to help you to achieve this certification. So if you already has this certification, let me go back to this real quick. So if you already are following this application architect path and you have, let's say that you have 3 of these and you just complete that architect, I highly encourage you to follow this B2B certification because it will be a good challenge for you. It will be a good chunk of knowledge, and it will help you to understand better all of these topics in a more, let's see, business world scenario. Because all of these certifications are not that much centered on businesses, and this certification is so you will have to apply all of the knowledge that you get here in real cases scenarios where businesses are involved. So if you have, as I said, this certification already, application architect, or if you are in the path to achieving it, I encourage you to, when you end that, to follow this certification. And if you want to follow it, or if you are interested in this, you can talk with your trainer and ask them about this certification. As I said, it's just below this pyramid. So when you go to architect path in Salesforce certifications, you will scroll down and you will find this pyramid. So yeah, I encourage you to follow this certification and to try it. And if you have decided and you will be following the certification, you can make me any question you have, and I'm really glad to respond that question and to help you with this certification. So with all that said, let's go to our final event today, and it's a question and answer. So yeah, I'm free to pick up any question you have, and maybe if you have anything that wasn't clear, I can make it clear for you. So do you have any question? No questions?
Thank you so much, Wilson. Don't be shy, guys.
Yeah, don't be shy. If you have any question, ask me. I am free to pick them up. Also, as I said, if you are interested in this certification, just talk with your trainer and they will be glad to help you with this.
I have a question, Wilson. What was the most difficult part you think when you studied this certification?
Okay, so I think the most difficult part for me was this topic here, which is the data governance and integration, because here I have to remind myself these kind of topics, for example, large data volumes or these three topics. That as I said, I reviewed them in past certification, but I didn't remind myself how to use them or what are the topics here. So it's difficult because you have to remind yourself everything. But when you have all that information together, you can see a bigger picture of that. You can understand why we have to use, for example, large data volumes, why we have to use big objects, and you will kind to understand all of that you in the first place you didn't understand, but when you review them with this certification, you will learn and you will know why is that used, or why do you need permissions at groups, or why do you need data security. So all of these topics make sense when you review this from this perspective. So for that reason, I said that this certification is a good way to test all of your knowledge of the past certifications. Thank you to everyone to joining, and I I hope that you will follow this certification in the future, and I'm here to help you if you decided to.